So if you're in the Minswap ecosystem, you probably are holding some Min tokens. You may have earned them from rewards for farming. You may be trading for them. Maybe you got into the liquidity bootstrapping event early on, or the FISO. So many ways you could have earned those tokens. But let's say you're just holding onto them in your wallet. They're not really doing anything. What you can do is stake them on the platform to earn some more Min tokens, and potentially you'll sell those tokens to pay for whatever you want to pay for. And it's really easy to do thanks to the interface that the team have put together. Let me show you how that's all done. Here I am on the minswap.org website. I'm going to earn and staking. From here, I can now have some options to stake my Min tokens. I've got a 9-month staking contract, or I can have a flexible contract where I can stake the assets and withdraw them at any point in time I want. Now this one here, the 9-month one, is quite attractive where I can earn that 8.66%. But let's say I need to be able to move this out to sell just in case there's a giant market crash. Now I do have some Min tokens on my wallet already, and I click on the value, the balance there, and it'll put in that 100%. And I can stake all of those tokens now onto the platform. So let's go ahead and stake it. So here I've typed in, I've clicked on 100%, or you can click on that value there, or you can put in your own amount that you want to stake specifically, and then click on stake. This will write the transaction for you. You just type in your password to confirm this, and then click on sign and submit. There we go. That's it. That's how quick and easy it is to stake your Min tokens to the platform. Within a moment, this will appear in my staking positions. There we go. And I can see exactly how much I'm earning for staking those Min tokens. Now, at any point in time, I can also withdraw that because I'm in that flexible staking option here. I'm not earning as much, but I can withdraw that or claim my rewards at any point in time. So if I click on claim, I don't have any rewards at the moment because I have just staked those tokens, but I can click on claim, type in my password, sign, submit, and have that out. But I can also simply withdraw my assets here, click on 100%, withdraw that from the platform by typing in my transaction password, sign and submit, and we're done. So now that's submitted onto the chain and is now unlocking those assets from the staking position. So as you can see, it's really easy to stake your assets, remove your assets from the platform so you can start earning some extra rewards from Minswap. If you found this video useful, make sure you watch all the other video tutorials around Minswap, how to use the platform. They're super informative and will help you level up your skills and knowledge about the Minswap DEX.